Nothing works alone. Everything is a part of a system. This is the quiet rhythm of nature that has followed for over billions of years. In Qingtian, Zhejiang, China, farmers grow rice and raise fish together in the same flood of fields. This is called the rice-fish symbiosis, a sustainable practice where both organisms help each other thrive. The fish eat pests and weeds, stir the water, and fertilize the soil. The rice in turn shelters the fish and keeps the water cool. There are no pesticides, no synthetic fertilizers, but just nature working with itself. In a time when industrialized farming methods pollute waterways and deplete soil, the rice-fish farming method shows us an alternative solution, one that nourishes land, water, and culture. It reduces chemical runoff, it protects biodiversity, and it keeps ecosystems healthy. This is what sustainable agriculture should be. The food carries no toxins or synthetic residue, only the history. It feeds local families, it draws local tourism, and it passes on the culture through every generation. It's alive, present, it's grown with patience, it's harvested with care. Before this, I thought of nature as something far away. But here, I learned that nature is not only the remote landscapes of the mountains and the seas. It's in every drop of water and every bite of food that we barely notice from our everyday lives. I connect to nature not by going somewhere wild, but by slowing down and seeing what's already there. And nature is the connection. To the earth, to other species, and to all the people who live in rhythm with the land and listening to its melody. My connection with nature is just like the mutuality of the rice and fish. It's coexistence. This sustainable practice may not work everywhere, but it is the principle behind it, the ideal where species are supposed to live together in harmony, in rhythm, in symbiosis, in a changing world.